this is Sir June. Welcome to my channel. So for today's vlog guys, I will be teaching you how to find more than and less than. Okay? So now before you will answer problems like this here, you have to know first the techniques and the terminologies on this lesson. So now class, I will teach you the techniques here and how are you going to answer the problems and what are also the terminologies here. So we have here is. The first term is is. When we say is, that means equal. Okay, that means equal. And then when we say more, so that means plus. And when we say less, that means minus. Okay, so these are the three terminologies that we need to learn. Okay, we have is means equal, more, plus, and less, minus. Now after learning that three terms, we need also to know the techniques on how are we going to answer this problem. First thing guys, if you already know that these three terms, what you will do first is you are going to identify where is being placed on the problem. Okay, look at this problem. What number is 1,000 more than 3,458? Okay, so before you will answer that, you have to read it several times. You have to understand it very well and identify where is being placed on the problem. So for this problem now, you can see is here. Is located on this part. So after what number? So now, after identifying the is, you will put there equal. Because when we say is, that means equal. And then you're going to copy the 1,000. Okay? And after that, when we say more, as I wrote here, more means plus. So you will copy here more. You write here plus. Okay? And then you will bring down or copy the 3,458. So now, what is here? When we say what number, that means n. Okay? So like for example, just like algebra applied x and y. But for this time, since this math is just for lower grade, so you will just use n. Okay? N stands for unknown or the missing number or the total number. Okay? So now here, what we will do here, we are going to solve it backward. Solve backward. Okay? So starting from the bigger number, so 3,458, you will plus the 1,000. Since I told you, you will solve it backwards. So from here, solve here, going there to your n. Okay? So 3,458 plus 1,000. So what you will do there is just add the thousands digit. Okay? So the thousands digit here is 3. And the thousands here is 1. So solve it mentally. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So you will write your 4 there. And the rest of the digits there, you will copy. So 4 and 5, 8 copy. Why you will copy? Because the 3 digits here are just 0. So if you will add that by 0, it's still the same. It won't change. Okay, so copy the 4, 5, and 8. Okay, so your answer now is 4,458. So that is the value of n. So I will erase n since we already have the value of the n. Okay? So next one, we have letter B. So the letter B, what number is 10 less than 892? So as I discussed and told you earlier also, that the less means minus. Okay? And is also placed here. So is, that means equal. So you will put equal there. And then you will just bring down the 10. And then the less, that means minus. So you will put there minus. And then 892, just bring down that 1 here. So now here, that what number, that means n. N means unknown or the number. Okay? So you will solve the same thing you will do what you did here in the letter A. The same thing here because the format of the problem are just the same, but the operation are different, okay? So, solving backward. So, 892 minus 10 equals. So, now what you will do here is, you are going to subtract only the tens digit, okay? Tens digit, since this one is just 2 digits, compared this having 3. So, now, you are going to minus now the tens. So, the tens digit here is 9. And then the tens digit is 1. Okay, 9 minus 1 equals 8. And then since this one, this 2 is just 0 here, 2 minus 0, that's still 2. And then copy your 8. So now, your answer now, 892 minus 10 equals 882. Okay? So, we will erase the n since we already have the value of n. So number 2, guys, if you see here, this is actually the same only with here, but then the is being placed here now in the last part, because here I am comparing you now. The is in the first two problems are here in the beginning part. Now here is the last part, meaning to say your equal now are here. Okay, so are placed in the last part. Now after that, you will just copy your equal, and then this one, you will just bring down that 9,871, and then 100. More means plus. So now, you're going to, I will erase this. So now, you're just going to plus, okay? So 100 plus 9,871. Since this one is hundreds, or having 3 digits only, so you will just add their hundreds digit. So the hundredth digit here is 8, and the hundredth digit is 1, yes. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. And then copy your numbers going to right, 7, 1, and copy 9. Why we copied only 71? Simply because there are 2 zeros here. If you will add 7 and 1, 71 plus 0, 0, the same only, it won't change. So better to copy directly. And then the 9, of course, you will copy. That's automatic, okay? So now we have the answer here. 100 more than 9,871 is 9,971. Last one is we have less. Less means minus. The equal is here, okay? The is here also means equal, that one. So 1,000 less than 6,891. Okay, now, don't be confused, okay? On this part, you will be thinking only subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, okay? So we have here, since this is the bigger, much bigger than that 1,000, so you will subtract now. 6,891 minus 1,000, so 6 minus 1, that is 5. And then now copy your 3 digits there since they are just 0, okay? So 891, just copy. Okay, I'll just write it. So your answer now is 5,891. Okay, class, don't be confused, ha? I am just teaching you this of 2 ways here. If that is the beginning and is in the last part. Because I want you to learn for this part, for this topic, for this lesson. Because you cannot see this actually in the book. The book does not teach you there. How are you going to do if the problem is like this? So I hope that you learn a lot for this lesson. And now this will be all about. I hope that you learn a lot for this. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Stay safe. Bye.